Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you, and just would like to take the opportunity to say thank you to the new subscribers that have recently joined the channel. We're so happy to be part of our family. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious apple cake. So I'm with Jamie here today.
Ciao.
Jamie's a really shy chow. So I'm holding the camera, Jamie's going to show you and cutting the slice. You can go. You can cut in a bit decent way. Yeah, like that. So you don't crash all the apple. You might want to get this warm. Yep. Lift it. You're not good at this, are you?
No.
It's still warm because you can see the steam coming off. Gorgeous, gorgeous apple cake. Right, so follow the tutorial step by step, and I will see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Instagram and Facebook group, and I will see you very soon.